Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share how you can draw the crown. So let's begin. Step number 1 is to draw a straight line. Then adding two curves and then fixing these curves together. Means we have to draw two straight lines and the edges would be covered with the curved lines. This is base of the crown. Then I have add two dots to make a diagonal line. That's it. You can use the scale to make the straight lines. Then just put these dots before the line draw. And then matching the dots will give you the better and easier results. That's it. Next, at the central part, we have to make something um, high in length. So I have added, I have drawn a lengthier line for the middle section. That's it. And I will follow the same steps as I have done in the right side. Put the dots and match the dots. And then it's complete. Now what I have to do is we have to draw some circular shapes inside that crown. So in the middle section I will draw a big size circle and the corresponding small size circle from the left and the right side. So it's almost done. So you have saw how easier this would be if you try it, and I'm sure you will definitely try these steps and you're trying much more better than me. At the last step, if you want to add curly line, you can also do it. It will give you a realistic view. That's complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Goodbye.